Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to follow along with typical Saturday. So, you know, Saturdays obviously I'm home from work. It's amazing. I get to spend time with my family and I love every minute of it. And we're gonna see what we do. So the first thing we do, Adriana, what's the first thing we do in the morning on Saturday? Now we don't suck our thumb. What do we do? Where are we going? Play center! We're going to the play center. So we fed Adriana some waffles. And now we're off to the play center. Here we go. Where are we going? Play center! Let's see you fishing. Oh, you caught a fish. That's so fast. Good job. Are you pouring tea? Can I have some tea, Adriana? Thank you, this sugar. And now, tea. Thank you. Where's yours? Okay, cheers. Cheers. Snack time. Alright, what do you got there? Let me see. Applesauce. Okay, go ahead. Alright, good job. Come on over, let's have some waffle now. What is that? Yeah, present for who? Mommy. You wanna try and step on that puddle? Okay, let me have the present 1 second so we don't ruin it. There you go. Adriana's present from Mommy. Okay, let's get inside the car now and go and see Mommy and Andreas, right? Say it again. Zoom, 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 we're going to the... In? 5, 4, 7, 8, 9, Zoom! Hello. Hello. Adriana has something to give Mommy. Now he's gonna... You gonna hide it?
I see some dots. Did you paint? Nothing.
Nothing? Are you sure?
I see a pink paper with some dots.
Wow!
Wow, that's so pretty! Purple and pink.
Go show Mommy.
Dots. Wow! There's a butterfly!
Me too. This.
You drew this? Wow, Adriana! I love it!
No, she said Theo George helped.
Theo George helped you do this? Adriana, we're gonna frame this and put it in your room. This is beautiful. I love this. Come say hi. Come say hi to Andres. We got new Dr. Seuss books.
Cool.
These are so fun. Yeah.
Hi, buddy.
Baby.
Who's that handsome boy? Who's that handsome boy?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's have some food, right? No, Daddy needs to eat too. We'll be back. We'll be back. Hi, handsome.
Happy. This a soccer ball. This no touch me.
Hey, buddy.
This all touch.
What's that? Animals?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This first. I need this book.
Oh, I need this book.
Oh, the things you can think.
Alright, so it's lunchtime for Adriana. Leila has Andreas upstairs with Adriana. I'm making pesto pasta with a little bit of turkey. Alright, so lunchtime, then sleep time, and if they're both sleeping, we can have like an hour of peace. So it's gonna be amazing.
If there was no nose, where would our glasses sit? Isn't that cool? We need our nose to smell and wear glasses.
Alright, so finally get into breakfast. I'm making like an omelet. I like making some potatoes, and then I put a little bit of egg, and you know, whatever's in the fridge, right? If I want a little spicy, a little bit of red peppers, a little bit of jalapenos, you know, mushrooms, well, random stuff, you know, omelet. So there we go. The omelet is done. I just put potatoes, egg whites, and hot pepper, salt, pepper, you know. And that's it, essentially. That's what my breakfast is gonna be. You know, I'll slice up maybe a few tomatoes, slice up some cucumber on the side there, but it's essentially that. Oh, toast is ready. I'm a fan of hot sauce when I have eggs or basically anything. So my brother gave me this because he couldn't handle it. Chief brand hot sauce. I think it's from Trinidad and Tobago, yeah. It's crazy hot, but it's so good. If you like spicy hot sauce, definitely try this out. So what I do is I make like a little bowl of like half hot sauce, half ketchup, and that's my little guilty pleasure. That looks delicious. Oh, who made that? I wonder. It looks like a master chef. Uh-huh. On the fence. There is on the fence. Look, he's like facing the post. Oh no, he's not actually. He's looking down now.
On the road.
Yeah, he's looking down that road. Yeah. Well, he sees a huge field, right?
That's what I mean.
He's like, let me go there. And then look on the other side. We've got Mashki scaring the birds away.
Looking at each other.
They're so funny. You see, yeah, there's like a field down there. So Zizu was just dreaming, like running through there like the sound of music. Look how cute he is when he just wakes up. Hi, Andreas. Hi, buddy.
Sweetheart. Hi.
Yeah. Look at his face.
Ready to go in tummy time? We're gonna land now. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ooh. Landing.
What kind of messy is this? Messy boy. Yeah.
Messy boy.
You got all over your face, even on your eyebrow, Khaled.
Because it was on his arm and you rubbed it on his arm.
Oh my goodness, here's Layla's nightmare. Alright, so Adriana's up. We're gonna get her now. What we do is we just offer her like a little bit of water and some fruit or something, a little snack after she's woken up. So let's see. Adriana! Hi, sweetheart. You want some water? There you go. And I have grapes for you. I have grapes for you. Hi, cutie. Who's that? Andreas made a huge mess. You know, Mommy doesn't like that, right?
Mama freaking out.
Mommy's freaking out, yeah. And I think Mommy has to go do some stuff. Maybe you go with her or you want to stay with Daddy?
Go shopping.
Go shopping, yeah. We got to get some things for the housewarming. Look who's coming. Look who's coming.
Hi. Hi, sleepyhead.
Look who's coming.
I'm a beautiful girl.
Alright, Andreas. Andreas likes noise. Alright. Hey, mister.
Okay, we put this toy away.
This is not a toy, right? It's a water bottle. Tell him, what is it? A water bottle.
This is a toy.
That's a toy. And this is? What's this?
Father.
A water bottle. Bless you, Andreas. Are you ready to come? We're gonna go. No? You stay in bed? Oh, honey, you guys are living my dream right now. Oh my goodness, these guys are funny. What's your sister doing? What's your sister doing? So what'd you put in your food there?
Mommy, that's chicken.
Chicken?
Food.
And anything else?
Lemon.
Lemon. Squeeze the lemon. Chicken. Beans. Can you stir it up? Alright, we're out at the park. It's just a little cool, but actually very nice. There's Adriana back there. There she is. And beautiful sunset. Alright, where'd you go? I'm coming to get you! I'm coming! I'm coming to get you. Okay, let's go down the slide. Go down the slide. Alright, let's see it. Ready? Go! This is nice, right? Whoop-ah. Oh, you're so funny.
Look at her face. Look at the cheeks. Look at her rosy cheeks.
No,
Well, let me show your rosy cheeks.
okay, there. Up and down, up and
I know. We left you there alone. Don't worry, I'm coming. Hello, Munchkin. Hello.
Oh, hello, we have visitors.
Yeah, his hair getting longer and longer.
Yaya Lala came, and here's Babashka. Hello. Hi. Oi, oi, oi. Oi. He's like a clock. 6 o'clock? I'm finished, he says. Catch you? I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm gonna get you. Go. Go. Maybe it'll get saved if Babashka saves you. Alright, so this is now Andreas's bedtime. So, because I'm working, I do the bedtime for him. Look at his red cheeks. So yeah, during the week I do the bedtime because I'm working and I only get like a few hours with him, so it's sort of like a little special bonding time. Lila's parents are here, so Lila needs to cook for Adriana, and then she's gonna eat, and it's bedtime for her. And then actually we have a date night, Lila and I, which is something that's not usual. So although this is like a usual Saturday video, the date night is not a usual thing. You can imagine, I'm quite busy. So we're gonna do his night routine, then her night routine, and we're gonna get ready and go out. All right, say bye. You wanna say bye? That's your bye. Yeah, he's tired. Bye, buddy. Now, it's Adriana's turn for a bath time, right? And sleepy time. What are you doing? Are you taking your sock off? Yeah, Adriana's getting undressed by herself. Go, take the other sock off. Show me how you do it. Yeah? Yeah, pull, keep pulling. Good, nice. Toesies, yeah. I love your toes. So now I'm gonna put Adriana to bed. Leila's coming up too, because we love doing bath time. Then we're gonna get ready and go out for a date, right? Is that nice? Me. You want me to take you out on a date? Yeah. Love you.
Me is date.
Date with Daddy. Ready for our date night? Happy? Are you excited?
It's overdue.
Yeah, I know, exactly. So, hope you enjoyed the day. We're gonna go enjoy the night now. Have a good one. See you next time.